In this module, we'll discuss how to evaluate a website's currency. When we evaluate currency, we are evaluating the timeliness of information. With currency, we want to ask ourselves, is the information up to date enough for my topic? Some topics require more timely information. For example, rapid advancements in science make it necessary to look for very current information when researching in this area. A research project in history, however, may have less stringent requirements for currency. When looking for information to determine currency, look in the headers or footers or in the text of the page. Evaluating the currency of websites can be difficult. Websites may include the date the site was last updated, but this does not guarantee all the information on the site was brought up to date. Ideally, websites should clearly identify when the information on the page was created and last updated. If you have any doubts about the currency of information on a site, verify it in other sources. Now we'll compare two websites with information about using citations in APA style. The first site we'll look at is examples of APA format from about.com. When citing the sources used in a research project, researchers choose a citation style. APA, or American Psychological Association, is a citation style frequently used in the social sciences. Putting citations and references in proper format is a detailed and exacting task, and we may look for help with this. It looks like this website contains many helpful links, such as the basic rules of APA format. Before we would use this site, we'd want to evaluate it. In this case, we do not have to look in the header or footer of the page for information about currency. The author lists the date the information was created under the title. September 10, 2008 does not seem overly dated. However, the American Psychological Association makes regular updates to its citation style manual, and if the article is based on an out-of-date manual, we should not use it. I would be skeptical about using the information on this site until I could verify that APA has not been revised since 2008. Now we'll evaluate the currency of another website with information about APA citations. The page we're looking at is APA Formatting and Style Guide, part of the Purdue Online Writing Lab website. We can see the path back to the site's home page in the header. We do not have to look for information about currency in the header or footer, as the authors have included it in the text of the page. The authors of the page give very precise information. They tell us the page was last updated on August 9, 2010, and they include the time. The authors also tell us that the content is based on the 6th edition of the APA Style Manual. I could check the library's catalog or ask a librarian to see if this is the most recent edition of the APA Manual. The site has been updated more recently than the first website we evaluated for currency. It also includes information about which edition of the APA Manual the contributors are using to write the page. This is an up-to-date site for helping format references in APA style.